Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Divi for theme customization with better UI hierarchy, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Elegant Themes website. Locate the Divi theme on the home page. Select the option to purchase or download Divi. Complete the payment process to obtain your Divi subscription. Once purchased, log into your Elegant Themes account. Access the download section in your account dashboard. Download the Divi theme zip file to your computer. Unzip the downloaded file to access its contents. Next, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Click on the Appearance tab on the left sidebar. Select Themes from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Choose the Upload Theme option. Select the unzipped Divi theme file from your computer. Click the Install Now button to upload the theme. After installation, click the Activate button to enable Divi. Now, navigate to the Divi settings by selecting Divi in the WordPress admin menu. Here, you can customize various aspects of your site's UI hierarchy. Begin with the theme options where you can adjust global settings. Explore the builder settings for more detailed layout options. Utilize the theme customizer to fine-tune your site's appearance. Familiarize yourself with the visual builder for real-time editing. Create new pages using the Divi builder for enhanced layout control. Incorporate rows and modules to establish a clear UI hierarchy. Utilize the drag and drop feature to rearrange elements effortlessly. Review and adjust padding and margins for better spacing. Ensure your design is responsive by previewing on different device sizes. Save your changes regularly to avoid losing progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.